Yeah, just drop us there inside any other buildings there. Drop us there. I don't know what is this. Which building is this? What is this? An airport or what? Lawazin Trade Fair. Lawazin Trade Fair. Oh. Yeah, it's okay here. It's okay.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you so much. All right. This is now beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Thank you so much. This is beautiful, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here's what we need. Is when we talk about, Qatar. Talk about this. Are you recording, my boy? Are you recording? This is now beautiful. Beautiful. Did you say go thank you to Google?
Mama said I thank you.
Yo, this is beautiful, guys. Wow. This is beautiful. 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 Come sit this side, Mr. Sit this side so I can see you. Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Where are you, Mister? Yeah? Where are you?
Here in Doha this time.
Yeah?
Doha. Hey.
Doha.
The way you feel like I did Doha.
It's so hot.
It's dohing.
It's dohi.
It's dohing. Doha is dohing.
My wife is saying it's dohi, guys. It's dohi. Right, let's go, guys. Let's go. But we want to take here. So I'm gonna put this one on draft. Ne?